not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. A waterfall to wash me. The wicked drown in water, let go wicked water. You wicked drown in water. I wanna be less than I can be. A waterfall to wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drown in water, let go wicked water. The wicked drown in water. In my dreams, I'm never over you. Just trying to stay alive. No matter how I feel or what I do, yeah, I keep on wasting time. And I'm just here until there's something new. Although it feels so right, yeah. Guess it's nothing left for me to do. Hike to the tears tonight. I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine. Oh yeah. Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up. Yeah. Sometimes I am lying to myself, yeah. Because I need some time. It's a process I am in, yeah. And I will walk the line. And I'm just here until there's something new, yeah. Although it feels so right. Guess it's nothing left for me to do. Back to the tears tonight. Oh, I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine. Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up. I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine. Keep it on the low, yeah. Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up. I'm not ready to give it up, no.
Good morning, guys. It is currently Wednesday and it is 2 p.m. I do not have any contact hours today, so. But anyway, I'm headed to the city center to do some work. I'm not headed to uni mainly because I want to switch up the environment. I will be working on my master's applications because they are due pretty much mid next week. My scholarship is due, and I'll also have to submit the majority of my uni applications before the scholarship so that I can apply for the scholarship. So yeah, it's a bit of a complicated process, but we'll get done with it. I will see you guys later and hopefully give you an update as soon as I can.
When I turn up, you get going. At every stop, baby, oh, it's showing. If I should stay, you find a reason to leave. When I'm busy, that's the time you are free. Just tell me, what should I do? How can I get how can I get through? How can I get through to you? Tell me, baby, please. How can I get through to you? How can I get through to you? How can I get through to you? With every step you take to, I keep reaching out to you. If I go left, then you turn to the right. I'm walking in darkness, bring me into the light. Just why can't you give me a chance? You keep running away from me. You keep running away from me. Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby. Woo! How can I get through to you? Can I get through? I just want one chance. Can I get? Tell me how. Tell me how. Can I get one chance? Can I get? Tell me how. Tell me how. Can I get through to you? Ooh, how can I get? How can I get through to you? How can I get? How can I get? Tell me, how can I get through to you? How can I get through to you?
Good afternoon, guys. So it is Friday and it is the 25th of October. And as difficult as it was to actually pick up the camera, I'm not feeling too great. So even though I don't know why I turned off the light, but even though I think I've caught the flu, I'm just not feeling internally well, so can't really function properly. I got a bit worse today. I woke up with a slightly bad mood, and as you all know, I still have master's applications underway. I do have to submit my master's applications to Cambridge tomorrow, and possibly even do other master's applications. If not, I'll just stick to Cambridge and apply for the scholarship, and then that's done with that. I haven't worked on my dissertation today, although I had done some work yesterday. I decided to hit pause on that and actually focus on finishing my master's applications. Quite a bit of work, and I just want to get them over with as soon as possible before I get assigned my supervisor. So it is currently the end of week 4, which I literally cannot believe. I haven't been assigned to my supervisor yet, even though I was supposed to be today. Till then, I'll actually do some more dissertation work, and up until the moment where I'll actually meet with my supervisor, I'll continue to do dissertation work, kind of doing literature reviews, research, etc. And that is pretty much the update I can give you guys. I will have to end the vlog here. So I'll see you guys next week, I hope in a better shape, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
How can I get through to you? Oh, tell me. How can I get through to you? How can I get